We're at World of Concrete at the Toro booth, and they have some really interesting new electric loaders and buggies. So here's what they're claiming. They're claiming 2,500 pounds, an all-day 8-hour run time with a 6-hour charge time. That is a bold claim for an electric piece of equipment like this. Purchase price around $42,000. I was just talking to the engineer, and he said they do run all day long, a full 8 hours. The 6-hour charge time is on 240, and it has a 12-hour charge time on 110. Same thing here with the dingo TX750. So if this works well, and if it actually lives up to the claim of having that charge time and being able to run all day, this is really, really awesome for indoor applications, or even just for the contractor. But I don't know how much a normal buggy is. I'm sure 42,000 is steep. But if the hypercell, whatever they're doing with the hypercell, if it lives up to their claims, I think it could be an extremely viable resource for a lot of people.